Hey everybody, we're here in Leominster. Going to check out this house, see what's going on. You can kind of see behind me. Um, Things are getting cleared up. The framing inspection happened, the electrical and plumbing inspection happened for the roof. And let's take a quick look here. Alright, so front entryway is in. Needs to be flashed and permanently installed. All these windows need to be permanently installed. That's kind of next, along with insulation and siding. Trying to button it up for the cold weather that's coming. It's a nice entryway. A couple lights up here. I came by and cleaned it all up. If you'll remember the last video I took, this was just a giant mess. Still a little mess. Really not too bad. And I cleaned up the backyard. Well, if you call that a backyard. Driveway, let's call it. Make our way upstairs, see if anything drastic happened there. I doubt it, because we just finally got all our inspections. Yeah, I just cleaned it up. Get ready for the next step. We're doing a spray foam insulation, so all these little cracks and crevices and air leaks are going to get all sealed up nice. See it like that. That foam will fill all that right up. These are pretty decent sized bedrooms. I didn't bring my tape measure out of the car with me, but you got a laundry area, second floor, which is perfect. It's right where you want it. That'll need to be fixed. Little three-piece bathroom. And then this is where the master bedroom is going to be. This is closet. This will be the master bath. Double vanity. Toilet and a shower. The rough electrical and plumbing is all here, ready to go. Got it stacked out the roof. Yeah, that does look a lot better. That was a big mess. And I mean, really, that's about it. On the inside, you can see what's going on outside, but really, not a whole lot's changed. Put the door lock back in. That's really about it. That's where we're at. Still need to get, like I said, the siding and insulation and finishing the window installs next. And we should be good. Finish up the inside. All right, that'll do it for this visit. We'll see you back in November to get some more progress.